Slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. I wanna fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly like an eagle, let my spirit carry me. I want to fly like an eagle till I'm free. I will feel the revolution. Feed the babies who don't have enough to eat. Shoot the children with no shoes on their feet. House the people living in the street. Oh, there's a solution. I want to fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly like an eagle, let my spirit carry me. I want to fly like an eagle till I'm free. Rise through the revolution. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. I want to fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly like an eagle, let my spirit carry me. I want to fly like an eagle till I'm free. Rise through the revolution.
Hey Shay,
Hey Yoda, what's going on?
so here we are after our first day's sail
Yeah,
in White Bay, Gilspin Dyke,
it was fun night.
and Shay has already gotten into vacation mode pretty quickly.
Where's the road? Where's
It's
the road?
out at Ivan's Stress-Free Bar.
Yeah, stress-free bar.
Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future.
Fiona, looking all pretty titty.
Slipping, slipping.
Such a perv.
That's going in the video. Okay, this is Sandy Spit. Named here today. Great sail. The exciting thing about Sandy Spit is it is our first official anchorage, where we anchored ourselves, and we did it without screaming at each other. Here's Shay relaxing after the anchorage and watching our entertainment for the afternoon,
Big entertainment.
which happens to be our neighbors over here. If you notice, they're anchoring with someone in the water. So the deal is we don't want to point the camera at them because we don't want to be that rude because we're staring at them. is they have the anchor going straight down to the bottom, which you never, ever, ever do. No scope. And the guy is snorkeling over at the same time telling people to reverse the engine.
And giving it a thrust.
This is dangerous. It's so dangerous. I've never, ever, ever heard, seen anything. In fact, it scared our neighbors so much that they were...
Okay, sounding off.
I just finished my bath shower and Shay is down below making rice and beans. Naked rice and beans.
Naked rice and beans!
And we're ready to watch the sunset, except it's raining over there. So, no.
Here we are with Yona Birch, captain for the day. And we just left Little Harbor where we got some water. We only used 10 gallons of water for 4 days.
Shay docks.
I docked the boat. Most excellent docking. Nothing was crunched.
And now we're on this
No hard bumps.
We're on this beautiful beam reach.
Beam reach.
Portola on our starboard and the Atlantic Ocean on our port. And it's a beautiful, hot, glorious sailing day. We're going to do some fishing, catch some fish.
And I think we're heading up to Lee Harbor, or Lee Bay. And ready to tack?
Oh, you mean there's some brown water up ahead?
No, hard water.
Hard water, brown water. Let's pose. She's snorkeling. This is our anchorage for the night. Not bad, eh? Except for the nudist colony on the boat over there, everything is pretty good. Took us like 6 tries to get the anchorage set though.
Pompous of love. People talk about me, baby.
Shay swum to shore to go birding. Oh, she disappeared into the island. Might be another episode of Lost.
I play my music in the sun. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. get my loving on